What's up guys, Marcos here, and today got another video on this boy right here. This is a range extender from TP-Link. Now if you don't know what a range extender is, basically it's a device that extends your Wi-Fi signal from your router to other parts of the house that aren't reached. So all you have to do with this one is set it up using a website that's given to you inside here in the instructions, and then plug it into the wall, and that's it. You go to your Wi-Fi and it should be right there. Another one with your same Wi-Fi router name, and I believe it has an _5G at the end. And it should work on any outlet you put in your house, and it'll extend the Wi-Fi range from your router all the way to that side of the house where the router doesn't reach by itself. Nobody wants to be stuck in a room in their house where the Wi-Fi doesn't work well. It takes like, what, 4 minutes to load a single web page? Like, go to google.com, takes 4 minutes, but still. Nobody likes a bad signal, so here, got this thing. Fix all your problems. Compatible with any Wi-Fi router, so you don't have to worry about what type of router you have. Just pick this thing up, set it up, plug it in, you're good to go. So, let's start the unboxing. Okay guys, now let's get into the unboxing. First, you can see that the company that made this is TP-Link, right? It's called the AC750 Wi-Fi range extender, and this is a picture of it. It says it has dual band Wi-Fi extension, and it's compatible with any Wi-Fi router. So let's look on the side now. It says it contains the range extender and a quick installation guide. So apparently it's an easy setup, we'll see. Has some intelligent light, I don't know. Fast Ethernet port, compatible with any router. Yeah, not much on the box. On the back you see how shows the range extender here extending from the router here to all the devices. It also says on the bottom down here, it says 433 megabytes per second on 5 gigahertz and 300 megabytes per second on 2.4 gigahertz. So that only means if you pay for Wi-Fi that fast. If you pay for only 100 megabytes a second, it's only going to be 100 megabytes a second because that's all you pay for. But if you pay for Wi-Fi like around there or higher, that's the max that this extender is going to give you. So if you have faster Wi-Fi, you might consider getting a more expensive one, so you'll feel the fast Wi-Fi. And on this side, another picture, same thing pretty much. All right, top, 2-year warranty, always good. Bottom is just barcodes and stuff. All right, let's get into the unboxing now. Take off this plastic knife. Let's see, right here, go like that. This, man, this knife is not sharp anymore, is it? Yup, you sharpen it. Close knives so you don't stab yourself. Now let's peel this off. See, get that out of here. Now we have the box. Oh, opens from up here like this. Give your nice, well, what is this even called? Like carton tray thing. Has this quick installation guide and whatever this is. Oh my gosh, is this like, oh no. Okay, we'll need to keep this so we can see how to set it up later. Just quick installation guide. I don't know if I could get that all in the view. You probably can't see it though. But yeah. Method 2, method 1, method 2. So there's 2 methods to set this up. Set it up using a web browser. You can set it up using WPS. Oh, that's through the router itself. Okay. We'll probably be trying the web browser. But now, let's get into this. The actual thing. We don't need that. Need that. Look at it. Looks nice. It's light, but I guess doesn't matter because it's gonna be in your wall anyways. So, looks like a refresh button here. And all these, I assume, light up. Ethernet, reset button, ton of model numbers on the back, branding. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, at least. So we're gonna go set it up now, so let's go. So after you plugged in your Wi-Fi extender to an outlet near your router, wait until the power LED and the Wi-Fi LED light up, and then you could come over to your computer and go and connect to one of these down here, depending on if your Wi-Fi is a 2.4 gigahertz signal or a 5 gigahertz signal. I'm going to choose the 5 gigahertz signal, right? Make sure it's connected. Now that it's connected, you go to http slash 192.168.0.254 in your search bar, and when it goes, it should open this. You could create password. Now that you have entered your password, you press start, and it should load. So it's scanning the Wi-Fi routers in the area that you could connect to. Okay. Now after you've entered the password for your Wi-Fi on both the 2.4 gigahertz or the 5 gigahertz if you have both, it will take you to this page. It'll show both of them or just one of them, whichever one you set up. And then you press save, and it'll apply the settings. Okay, and now it's done. And that's pretty much it. And then you just go ahead when you're done. You have to click this thing, yeah. And then press finish. And boom, you're done. This is what it should look like after you have set it up and you are able to plug it into any outlet you want in your house. After you see this, you will be able to connect to either the 2.4 gigahertz band or the 5 gigahertz band Wi-Fi on your devices.